As you may know, Python does have types. However, it doesn't enforce those types until runtime. But what it does offer is something called type hint to help you before you run your programs to make sense of the types that your functions are taking in or returning. Let's see how this works. So we're going to have a class called calc, and we're going to have a method where we're going to add up the two parameters inside. Yeah, I'll take that, Code Whisperer. Thank you very much. We're going to instantiate calc, and then we're going to print the sum. Yes, thank you. However, what I want to show you is that the IDE does not know the type of these parameters and the function. So it says any. We can improve that with type hints. So to use a type hint on a parameter, we go back there to a function, and then I do column and then int. Same thing for B, column, int. And for the function, I'm going to do something that looks like an arrow. So that's a dash and a bracket and say int. And then voila, once I open the parameters, it knows the types, int. However, Python does not enforce this. This is simply to help you and your tools to make sense of the types that you're using. Let's prove it. If I run my code now, then it will hate me because I haven't passed any parameters. If I go here and pass again 10, 20, sure, on the calc sum function, save this and then run my application, then it says 30. If I change my type into string here, then what do you know? It doesn't complain. Always good, because Python doesn't care about type hints at runtime. This is only for yourself and for your tools. Be kind to yourself, be kind to your tools. Use type hints. See you next time.